Welcome guys to another special video. In this particular video, I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful logo with your pixellab app. You are so going to be surprised how we can come about these wonderful logos. Don't worry, just follow me step by step and you are going to enjoy every bit of this class. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to delete this, remove it. Then we bring in our template, what we are looking at to design the new logo. So let's just bring it in. Let me look for it in my gallery. Click on pixellab and here. Okay, this is it. Wow guys, isn't this logo wonderful? I'm sure you like it. Let's just see how we can do this. So let's bring it to one corner. So what I'm going to do now, I told you how to get these different shapes. You see this shape here now, and all these shapes, I told you how to get them already. So I've already downloaded mine, so I'm just going to bring it in and you'll see how I do it. So I'll click on the plus sign, click on the from gallery, and I'll bring in the shapes. The first one I will take is this one, and I crop it here. Okay, then I'll bring in the second one from gallery again, and I'll also crop this. Yes, crop it here, click on OK. Just reduce this. We are not going to be spending much time. In just a little time you will see how beautiful this logo will become. Okay, so just click on this here, click on relative position, bring it to the center for accuracy and alignment's sake. Then we are going to bring in our text, and the first text we have there is, we will edit it, Eastern PLC, make it capital letter, click here, okay. Then we'll bring it to this place here. Then we'll change the font, look for font here. Now which one did I use here? Okay, let me look for it. Which one did I use? Okay, look at it here. Okay, I use this font, the bungalow regular. I use that one, so I'll click OK. Yes, then I increase the size of this text, increase it, reduce it a little bit, then bring it to the center relative position, reduce the moving by pixels. Yes, okay, then I'll move this one down a little bit. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, now what we are going to do now, we are going to be, okay, let's bring this to the front. I told you are going to be using layers, so these are layers. So for you to bring this particular layer, this last layer, to the front layer, just hold it by the corner and move it upward. Right, it is now on top of everything. You see now it's now on top. Before it was under, now it's on top. So let's see. Let me show you something. Now this line there that you are seeing there, want to give it that line. So I'll just click on the text. Then I'll go to 3D shadow and I'll enable it. I'll increase the opacity to 100%. I'll reduce the blur radius. Then I'll increase the expand it very well. Then I will change the color. Now to get that color is very simple. I have the color here, but let me show you how to get the color. You click on this plus sign here. Then you click on this eyedropper tool. You select your image. Then you click on the color that you want. That's not the color, that's not the color, that's not the color. Okay, this is the color. You have gotten the color, then you click OK. Then you click OK here. You see now you have gotten the color. For that, you click OK here. The next thing we are going to do is to click on this top one here. Then we change the texture. We add the texture to it. Select on image. I told you that I downloaded this texture. I downloaded it from Google. You can search for any texture you like and you can download it. I downloaded this texture. I'll use this texture here. Wow, this is getting interesting. I'll click on this and also change this texture. I'll use the same texture. Click on it. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Then I'll click on this one and click on edit text here. I'll look for the texture, click on texture, use that same texture. I'll use that same texture. Then I'll click here. Okay, I use this. Wow, this is really beautiful. You are even done with the design, but if you submit it like this to your client, they are not really going to appreciate it as much as they will appreciate this one. Now look at this, the difference. You see now, this one is more beautiful than the other one, but it's just the same thing. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we'll click on this, our layer tool. Then I will select this, I'll select all of them. Now click on edit here. Then I'll move it upward so that I will add the other text. Move it upward here. Okay, I'll click on OK now. Then I'll add the rest of the text here. I'll edit it. Okay, I'll remove this. Now because of time, I have already written the text here, so I'll just bring in the text. Okay, then I click on OK. Wow, what we are going to be doing now, we are going to change we are going to reduce the font size a little. Then we are also going to change the font. We are changing the font. Which font did I use there? Let's look for the font I used. I used this font, yes. This Amaranth Regular. Yes, I used that font. I'll click on OK here. Yes, I'll click on OK here. Then I'll go to Align. Then I will make it center aligned. Okay. Wow, this is very beautiful. We'll still bring this our image to the top so that we'll be seeing it as we are editing. And this one we are going to move it down a little bit. Yes, move it down a little bit. Wow, we are almost done with this design. Look how easy it is to design this beautiful logo. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to add a texture to this image, to this text. So just go to texture, choose on texture. We will use the same texture. Now we add it. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Now for you to make this your design a little more wonderful, let's add something else. Let's add something else from gallery. Let's bring in this. This is a sign for website, so let's just bring it in. I didn't use it in the other one, but let's just use it to make it even more beautiful. Okay, let's click on OK here and we reduce it. Then we'll bring it to the place the website is. Let's edit it. Let's move it up. Okay, Then reduce the size, the relative size. Click on relative size, and you reduce the size. Then you still move it again. Move it close to this place where your website is. It's a sign for website. Okay, I'll click here and choose it. Then we reduce it just a little more. Okay, it's now okay. Then we bring it down and closer to it, and we are good to go. Wow. Then I'll also add something else. Let's also add something else. Go to gallery. There are some things I've downloaded here. Let me just take Facebook here. That's their Facebook page. Okay, this is really getting exciting. See how we are doing it? Very, very easy. Wow, let's take it this way. Then we reduce the relative size. Reduce the size, bring it here. Let me reduce it more. Bring it down. Wow, this is wonderful. Then we move it and place it here. Okay, then reduce the size again. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, then lastly, let's bring in one more shape. Let's bring in the WhatsApp shape. Click on this circle here and bring it here to bring in our WhatsApp. Okay, this is beautiful. This is wonderful. Wow, click on OK. Then you reduce it, move it down. Then we reduce the relative size. Reduce the size, reduce it, move it closer to the phone numbers. Still reduce the size, increase it, make it 5%. Move it closer, move it downwards. Now this is amazing. We are done with the design. This design is very, very beautiful. So let's just hide this for now. I click on the eye there to hide it. Okay, now this is wonderful. So what we are going to be doing now is we will group everything together that will make it appear beautiful. Then we'll bring in the background. Okay, so first of all, let's bring in the background. We'll click on this background here. I will click on from gallery. We are bringing in the mockup. I'll have one mockup here. Where is it? Okay, look at it here. Yes, we click on this 1.1, 1 by 1. Yes, click here. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. So the last thing that is remaining is to select on the layer and group everything together by clicking on this button below. Then you select all except our template, of course. Select all. You click on this merge objects. Said okay. You click on okay. Wow, now everything is now together. Okay, let's see this. It is okay. Let's bring this to the front. Okay, so we know how to bend it now. Let's hide this again. Now you click on this. First of all, you bring it to the center, relative position, center here, and you reduce it a little bit and center again. Then you go to bring it to the center. Then you come here, you go to 3D shape, you give it a 3D shape, use perspective, then you reduce the depth, make the depth 3, Let's keep it at 3. Okay, let's darken it a little bit. Okay, X rotation. This is where you rotate it to any style that you want. The X rotation is where you rotate it to. Let's keep it this X rotation this way. And the Z rotation. Wow. Okay. X rotation. Let's keep it this way. And let's rotate this. Wow. This is beautiful. This is just so beautiful. X, Y, and Z rotation. Okay. Keep it this way. Then the last thing we're going to add is we're going to add the shadow to it. Let's reduce the blur radius of this shadow radius. Let's move it this way. Wow. Are you seeing how beautiful this logo is now? Wow, this is beautiful. So you can see now. Let's show the other one. You can see now how beautiful the logo is. Wow, this is amazing. This is really amazing. So we are done with this. So let's just delete this one. Wow, you can change it to any style you like. Now let me just show you something. There is another beautiful thing that you can also do. As it is like this, you can come here and you increase the depth. You see, this is also beautiful as well. This is also beautiful. Wow, wonderful design. But we are not going to be using this. We are going to reduce it and keep it the way it was. Let's keep it this way. Wow, this is wonderful. This is very wonderful. So I'm going to be dropping all these tools here, and you are going to make exactly this logo for me. A very beautiful logo. I'm sure you are excited to do it. I'm sure you want to do it. And this is so lovely. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wow, that is very wonderful. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.